What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we've got the OBSBOT Tiny 2. This is a 4K AI-powered camera that's tripod mountable, but basically can track you and move around and look and zoom in and zoom out and do all this really cool stuff, all built right into the box itself, and at 4K. Supposedly these sensors on these cameras are just amazing, and today we're actually going to try it out, and we're going to compare it to the Elgato Facecam Pro, which is also a 4K camera, and see how it compares. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed. That's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So onto the package itself. Let's go ahead and get this open. Looks like just a small piece of tape on the bottom, and it opens right up. Ooh. So we do have some instructions and links to, or I should say QR codes, they're not quite links, to the software for the product. That's actually kind of cool. And a new era of webcam. So here's the paperwork it comes with. Let's go ahead and open this up. Hefty little booklet. We have a warranty here and a user manual in quite a few different languages. And now look at this case, the OBSBOT 2. How nice is that case? Let's go ahead and pull this out. Nothing else in the box. Again, this is the Tiny 2, so it is going to be a very small form factor webcam. Let's go ahead and unzip this and see what's inside. You guys can see with me. Ooh. Wow, it's even tinier in there. So we have a nice Velcro wrapped USB-C to C cable here. So kind of cool that we get a reusable Velcro for that. We have a mounting device here. So if we open this up, we can actually mount it onto a monitor, for example, and then have it at any angle here. And if we open up this tiny little bag here, we've got a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Nice that they include that. And then here is the device itself. Look how tiny that is, living up to its name, the OBSBOT Tiny 2. On a swivel here. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Nice. And you may have noticed that there was nothing actually on this side to hold it. That's because it's magnetic. So the webcam can simply sit on top of your monitor, and then when you want to take it off, you just pull it off just like that. Otherwise, you can see on the bottom, there's also a tripod mount right there, so you can mount it on a standard tripod as well. But what's the quality like? All right, so now it's time for testing. We have both webcams running, and immediately I can see a few things. So on the right-hand side, it looks like it is definitely more detailed in terms of sharpness. And on the left-hand side, it's a little bit less sharp, but somehow I still see more details. The left side has a faster refresh rate, it seems like, but the right side, I believe, might have more true-to-life colors, possibly, and it's slightly more bright. So I feel like maybe there's a bit of a like my wrinkles aren't as visible on the right-hand side. But yeah, if you haven't noticed the movement, the Elgato Facecam 4K is on the left-hand side, and I do notice that we do have on the t-shirt especially, and on the mic, there's a lot of grain from not getting enough light. So that is an issue with the Elgato. On the OBSBOT side, if we look at the mic, we can see maybe a little bit of grain, but the t-shirt is just not grainy like it is on the Facecam side, which is very interesting. But yeah, both very nice cameras. The OBSBOT has 4K 30 and 1080p 60. The Elgato Facecam Pro does have 4K 60 as well, so that is one of the pluses, but it doesn't have any of the features like moving and AI tracking and cool stuff like that. It even has some features where you can use your hands to actually tell the AI what to do. You can have a board on the wall, and it will actually get the board, change the aspect ratio, and show it on the screen in a perfect square, even if it's off to the side on camera, which looks kind of right on a whiteboard. It's a super cool feature. But yeah, overall, what do you guys think? It's a pretty great camera, honestly, if you ask me. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
We rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.